handout from me. My focus these days is really on nutrient management and nutrient management planning. There's new regulations that are coming into effect that will require farmers to have nutrient management plans. I've been working with the Cranberry Growers Association and the Department of Agricultural Resources to talk about what that looks like for cranberries. I had been thinking about it already last year to include some of the elements in the chart book, which is our main management recommendations that we revise every year. There'll be some more revision in it this year. The other thing on your handout is, I often say for cranberries, nutrient and water management kind of interact a lot because we're moving all these volumes of water around, so even if there's a little nutrient in it, over that much of a volume, it adds up. And so there's been a lot of question and push about filtering water or treating water from floods. One thing that we found over the last 10 years now of research, that just changing your fertilizer practice for phosphorus can hugely change the amount of phosphorus that's in your harvest flood. And so on your handout are some numbers that I worked up for DEP and EPA, that just from growers going from 20 pounds of phosphorus to 10 pounds of phosphorus on average, some of these beds, well, on average, these beds are discharging 3 pounds per acre less of phosphorus in their harvest flood, which is huge. I mean, it's like an 80% reduction just by changing your fertilizer practice, which is economical and implementable for any grower. So this is very exciting stuff. And as part of this body of work that I've been doing on nutrient management over the years, I'll just pass around, there's this nutrient management guide. This is for South Coastal Oregon, and you might say, well, what does that have to do with us? But the lead author is a friend of mine at Oregon, just recently retired from Oregon State, and he invited me to participate and incorporate what we've learned here. And I recommend this to Massachusetts growers because a lot of the science piece of it is equally valuable no matter where you're growing cranberries. And it talks about what the plant needs and how you figure that out, and then how you construct a plan. So that's what I've been doing.